Hello folks, this is Gerald and welcome to my channel Island 808 Motovlog. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers out there and all the viewers. For those who hasn't been subscribed yet, just click subscribe. You can click the like button and leave a comment. I would like to shout out all the riders here in Hawaii and of course in the Philippines and all over the world.
A few moments later.
So today we're gonna install radiator guard and lowering kit on my Yamaha MT-09. So I'm gonna show you the parts. So basically this is the radiator guard. So it's gonna put up right there. So there's actually two Allen wrench right there, iron bolt, sorry. And this one is the lowering kit, which is to be installed on that part. So we need to unbolt that and need to lower it as well in the front.
A few moments later.
Hello again, this is Gerald. So I'm gonna show you what we installed a couple days ago. I'm gonna show you one by one. So here it goes. Let's start. So the first one that we installed is this windshield in front. So basically it's just located on top of the headlight. So this is how it looked like. I bought it from eBay. It's like about $20. It's super cheap. And the first thing that I did is if you can see the 4 Allen bolt right there, I did unbolt that and put on the bracket. You can see the bracket side to side right there, and of course there's 4 bolt here as well. I use screwdriver, and that's how it looks like. It looks great. It protects you from the wind. Okay, so the next one that we installed is the radiator guard, which is located right here. So I also bought this in eBay, about $30. So basically the purpose of this is to protect your radiator from harmful elements like rocks, woods, or any harmful elements from the road. So it has MT-09 embossed right there with the logo. It's super cool and I really love it. It's super cool right there. So basically what we did is there's an Allen bolt right here, same on the other side. We just loosened that a little bit and snapped it. There's like two bracket here, we just snap it there, and then we just hooked it up with the Allen bolt right here and on the other side, and so we did just tidying it up and it's all good. It's easy to install, like 2 minutes job. Of course, last but not the least, the lowering kit. As you can see right there, the little metal extension. So basically I changed that to a shorter one so it can lower the rear side of the motorcycle or rear end. So basically it's back to back or side by side lowering kit right there. So there's a logo of MT09 as well. Bought it from eBay, about 20 bucks. It's anodized CNC aluminum cut. And of course we did adjustment here in the front on the fork. We unbolt this Allen bolt here, same on that side, the lower side of the fork, and then probably we adjusted like ½ inch. Right here. Anyways, for the lowering kit, it's 20mm lowered, so basically it's 0.78 inches lowered. So the purpose of that is I'm 5'7" and I'm still doing tiptoe when I ride this motorcycle, so it's kind of a little bit hard to balance, but I can still touch the ground. The reason why I changed the lowering kit is for me to be able to not totally like touching the ground, but at least it lowered a little bit and I have more control and balance when I come to a full stop or any.
Eventually.
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the result or the outcome of installing the lowering kit on the rear side of my motorcycle. It's actually below the shock absorbers, so the motorcycle, it's actually lowered a little bit and I'm very happy and satisfied with the outcome. So right now you can see my foot, it's almost touched the ground and I have a full control or balance on the motorcycle. I actually did lower the front side, which is the fork, which is right here, side by side, 2.5 inch lower. So you can see right now my foot is almost touching the ground and I have a full control. Even I let go on the steering wheel. I'm very happy. So before the stock one, my foot is actually look like this, like tiptoe on the ground. So it's kind of a little bit hard to balance and control the motorcycle, especially when you approach on the traffic light or any unexpected circumstances or sudden brake. Yeah, I'm very happy and satisfied with the outcome, and it's the motorcycle controls lighter right now and I have a full control and balance. And yep, that's it. Thank you so much. Hello folks, so today I'm gonna show you the side view on my motorcycle. So this is the result of installing my lowering kit on the rear side below the shock absorber and adjusting the front fork. So basically I did adjust 1/2 inch on the front fork from left and right, and on the rear side is about 20 millimeter or 0.78 inches. So as you can see, both of my feet is almost actually touching the ground compared to the stock kit. So before, my feet is actually look like this. It's like tiptoeing or tiptoe on the ground, so it's kind of hard to maintain your balance or full control on the motorcycle. But right now, this is the positive outcome or result of that kit. So basically I almost like 95% touching the ground with my foot, so I almost have full control or balance. And the motorcycle, it's actually more like lighter when you lower your vehicle or motorcycle. I'm really happy with the outcome. It's very satisfying, and yeah, it's a positive outcome, of course. The reason why I adjusted the front fork is for this motorcycle, for me to be able to maintain the aerodynamics, because if you don't adjust the front, it's not like totally balanced for me. This is what I think. So I tried to drive it, and it looks good, and it drives good, and I think it added more performance, because you know the front side is more low. Like what I said, it's aerodynamics advantage. So the vehicle is more downward, or downforce. And yeah, I don't need to change my side stand. It still actually looks good.
Eventually.
Hello folks, this is Gerald, and once again thank you for tuning into my channel. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something regarding installation, especially in this bike, Yamaha MT-09. God bless, and we'll see you in the next vlog. So keep supporting and watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Mahalo.